When using Timetracker Reporting or querying the Timetracker Reporting API, in order to see which fields can be queried from a specific endpoint, you need to check the Timetracker Reporting API reference. In order to do that, click on Timetracker Settings, Reporting an API, and then Reporting API Reference. In this example, I will be using the Timetracker Reporting API version 3.2 beta, which is currently the latest version. So we scroll down to OData Reporting API, and here we can select any endpoint, for instance, the work items endpoint. And here in this section, we see all the fields that will be returned if we simply query the endpoint without specifying any fields in the select part of the query. So system ID will be returned, system state, system team project, etc. However, if we wish to specify additional fields, when we read this part, it says, default fields are displayed in the sample response. To query additional fields, check the full list in the reporting work item model in the schema at the bottom of this reference. So let's check the reporting work item model. And here, when we expand the reporting work item model, we see all the fields that we can specify in the select part of our query. Thank you for using 7-Pace Timetracker.